Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cousin Derp from Moriah Elizabeth. So let's get started. To draw Pickle's cousin, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And I'm going to come right across. So just make sure it's kind of like at a slant, and about right here I'll draw another circle, but a little bit bigger. So then let's come back in here, and I'm just going to add a little circle right here for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. So drawing Cousin Derp is basically kind of like drawing Pickle. So please check out that my Moriah Elizabeth Pickle or playlist if you love her characters. Okay, so we have the two eyes in. Now we're going to come to the center of this eye, come up a little bit, right next to it. I'm just going to give myself a point. From there, I'm going to start to draw a curve for the nostril mouth area. So this part's a little bit tricky. So we're going to take it slow to get the proportions right. So I have a curve, and from that center point, I'm going to curve the other way. Okay, so then now, about right here, let's bring this around, nice and round. And I'm going to aim, so now I'm looking at my drawing, I'm going to aim a curve that comes about right here. So right underneath the eye, let's bring this curve, round it off, and about right here. I'll end it. Okay, so we just want to create this big curve, and let's come back in here and draw the nostril area. So about, say here, close to the edge, one smaller one, and slightly bigger. There, at the same angle. So then now we can go ahead and continue this curve. To make this a little bit rounder. And come down. So we're just going to create the back, which is just one big curve. There. So I just want to create this curve right here to finish off the head. So now that we have it's pretty much the same level, we can go ahead and in this area draw a curve for the tummy area. And now we can bring this down more. Step by step, right? So then let's bring this down a little bit more. And I'll stop for now because I want to draw the hands in first. So come down, say about this area right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Comes close to the tummy, round it off for the hands. And we're just going to go back up. Then you can come in here, two curves for the nails. And let's come right across, so say about right here. We're going to draw same curve and then come down for the other hand, and then a nail right here, curve. Okay, so then now let's continue to bring this down so we kind of know how far to bring Cousin Derp here. So let's bring this down more. And about right there underneath the hand, so about this area, I'm going to stop and draw a curve right center of this line, and I'm going to round it in. So this is the beginning of the foot. I'm going to round it off. Now let's come to the bottom of this curve right here. We're going to start to draw the bottom of the dinosaur. So we're just going to go curve down there, and then we're going to give it a slight curve up and down. So then now we can go ahead and draw the tail. So starting to come out, but right there, nice thick tail, and we're just going to bring out a slight curve, round off the tip, and connect. There. And then the other foot, right? So about this area, go ahead and just draw a curve and tuck it in. And now the back. Let's draw the spine area, all the plates on the back. So say about right here, we're going to start. And this is one of the main differences between Pickle and Cousin Derp here. This shape is very much a little bit different, very much different. Okay, so I'm going to start with a bunch of these curves and come all the way down. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, kind of following Moriah's, and one more. There. And then there's a bunch of polka dots in here, of course. So if you like, you can just do this when you're coloring, or I'm just going to come in here very lightly and draw these circles for you. Make it easier when I color. So just here and there, very randomly, and add circles. So thank you, Draw So Cuties, for all the requests to draw more Moriah designs. She's just such an amazing creator. And she comes up with the cutest characters, right? So hopefully she doesn't mind that I'm drawing her stuff. And thank you for keep requesting that I draw more for you. And definitely check out my Moriah Elizabeth playlist. And I definitely have Pickle in there. So now you can draw both of them, right? Pickle and Cousin Derp. And Moriah just comes up with the cutest names for her characters too, right? There's no denying that. Okay, so now we're done with that. Now let's come to the side right here. And I'm going to draw right here, the little patch of design. I'm going to put a heart just like I did on Pickle, and then I'm going to go around it and just draw these random shapes to finish it off. So like I said when I drew Pickle, I hope Moriah doesn't mind that I'm changing this part up here. And I'm just going to randomly put some shapes to fill it up. And let's see, that is pretty much it. And I really hope I made drawing Cousin Derp the Dino right here from Moriah Elizabeth fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.